So, hi again, everybody. Welcome again to another webinar from Syllaby. I'm Zhao, your moderator for today, together with our hosts, Awais, Nicole, and my co-moderator, Don. So, Awais and Nicole will be presenting today. The topic will be around using the whole platform with Syllaby. The whole platform, meaning all the features will be given to you. All the features will be slowly showed to you, and how they're going to be used and how it's going to be helping you as a content creator. Now, Awais is our product manager and a product owner, and Nicole is our in-house content creator. And if you have any questions, we also have Don here, who's our support manager, especially with customer relations. So now, if you have any questions while Nicole and Awais are presenting, you can leave them in the Q&A section or in the chat box for everyone to see, and we can answer them later. Thank you, everyone. So, Awais, take it away.
Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. My name is Awais and I am a senior product manager at Syllaby. Exciting stuff going on. And, before I really wanted to get into the stuff, maybe, if you guys could just comment. One, if you are already using Syllaby faceless feature already and what is it, and if, you guys are using it. So, that way I would know that how many people are new here. So, I will be, specifically targeting like which area I need to cover because we're gonna talk about a lot. I mean, we have Nicole. She's been creating content for a very long time. She, knows far more better than me that how this whole thing works, and we will definitely gonna have some amazing input and insights from her. But specifically for you guys, like how you guys can utilize Syllabi, just to in order to create that amazing content. So I think that would be great.
So
Oh,
to
okay.
answer your question, Awais, we have a poll running. So half of them are new users, half of
Oh,
them
okay.
are not using Syllabi yet, half are actually users. So we have basically a good or hefty number of both parties. And
Oh,
it's a
nice.
combination of people in the doing professional projects, personal projects, and a little of experimentation.
All right,
Mostly are
nice.
content creators and in marketing. So those are the things that we have right now from the attendees that we have.
Okay, great. So, all right, I think this is great. So, without any further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take you guys to the Syllabi and just gonna give you guys lay of the land that how we're going to do it. So we're going to get into the Syllabi. We're going to figure out and see how why we call this 5 AI tools in one, right? So first we're going to talk about that what type of features you will get when you get into the Syllabi, and what type of content you can create out of it, and then we're gonna um, talk about that how you can create the content which actually works and what are the thought process or method uh, behind it, and how content creator who's been in the industry for a very long time like Nicole, I mean what type of thought process she has and how she usually take on all these things. So yeah, we're just gonna get through this. So let me just go ahead and share my screen real quick, and you guys let me know when you can see it. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
Awais. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right. So guys, once you get into the Syllabi, the first thing you're gonna see on the right top, it's more of an infographic, or this basically describes a workflow. And what we call it a proven method that helps you transform ideas into viral videos. So all you need to do is you need to discover the idea, then write a script, and then convert that script into a stunning video, and then take that video onto the social media. Now, all these steps that we have within the syllabi, it's basically help you to, move one step closer to the point where you have a social media ready video that you can take out onto your social media channel, and then it views, maybe it gets viral, and you're gonna get like a huge engagement on it. So I'm gonna take you guys step by step And down the road, I'm going to tell you that how you guys can do the idea discovery, what is the importance of the idea, and what we have within the syllabi that basically empowers you, that literally take away your pain or your time that you're literally going to spend on either Google or YouTube or different, any other tool, which you will be, of course, paying to get that information, which you can literally get free on Syllabi. And after that, you can create a video and then you can move on. So first, I'm going to cover the idea discovery. So what exactly we have in the idea discovery and why it's really important. So Syllabi, we have a different data set that is based on your industry. Either you're from legal industry or retail or real estate or hospitality or any industry you belong from. So you can actually click on it and you will be able to access that data. And what type of data we show you? The search volume. What type of keywords people are looking in energy sector and what's the search volume? Whether it's trending or not, what's the cost per click and what's the competition. If it's too high, you might need to put a lot of effort. If the competition is low, there are really good chances that whatever content you're going to create, it's probably going to get wider, right? So we have Google, Google Trends, YouTube, Instagram, X, Pinterest, Bing, and TikTok. So what exactly and how exactly it works? So for example, if I'm on YouTube, right, and I really want to create a video about facts, like random facts, random survival facts, or any facts about anything, movies, cartoons, you know, uh, vehicles and any history ancient Egyptian facts or Greek mythology. So all I need to do is to just type in that keyword here. So for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just type in, I'm going to use the same word. So let's just do facts, right? So wrong click. Okay. So what I'm going to get is I get this. So do you guys see this interesting fact about the human body? Literally 1.78 million people searching this term. People really don't know about their body, right? So they're looking for this term on YouTube right now. So literally, the whole process is really easy. So if I go, I open the YouTube, I enter that keyword, I search it, then I'm scrolling through all those videos, right? And I don't know which keyword is the most successful one. But with Syllabi, literally that whole piece of process gets eliminated. You have right information right in front of your eyes. What's trending? You can even have the search volume number. And this is not something you're getting from the internet. This is like actual data based on your showing you guys this information. So, interesting facts about the human body, interesting facts about things, people, random fun facts, funny animal facts. All these, you see the numbers? They're crazy, literally. So that's the first step. And it's not just YouTube, it's Instagram, it's X, Pinterest, Bing, TikTok, name it. I mean, there might be any preferred channel for you guys. You can, just add the keyword and you will be able to get like keyword that people are searching on this platform. Any questions so far from anyone? So, I could cover it more. Otherwise, we will move on to the next step. And I'll probably ask Nicole that how she usually do the idea search and all that stuff for creating the
Not
content.
so far for the questions. So yeah, you can continue. Thank you.
Nicole, you want to chime in? How
Sure.
how do you find this helpful? Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay. So what I've been seeing, you guys, and I just want to say that, like, y'all in the Facebook group, if you haven't joined the Facebook group or our Discord, we're really starting to bump things up. Everybody's getting a lot more comfortable with each other and getting more active, and we're sharing ideas. And so a lot of the times where I get content ideas, if I'm struggling, if I don't know what I want to talk about, if I'm struggling to decide or focus on a certain niche, what I'm seeing happening in our Facebook and our Discord is so many of you guys are asking each other, hey, what is working for you? And that is the beauty of social media and of community on social media. And that is what we're trying to do here at Syllabi. We're not just providing you with a tool to help you improve your content creation and make content creation easier for you, but we're also trying to develop this community of people who are using the app, who are on it, all day long, seeing the results, and then we're all sharing our information with each other. So what I have been doing lately, because a lot of you guys are doing a lot better with your faceless channels than I have been doing with my own faceless channel. So the other day I was in the Facebook group, and Jao and Rhea have both like made some pretty awesome faceless channels. One about biblical facts, and then a true crime channel that Jao created. And I saw a couple of you guys conversing back and forth about how to title your videos. And so not only do we have the tool that shows us what items are being searched and how many clicks those items are getting, if they're popular or not, but we're also in the community with each other, and we're using each other's ideas and bouncing ideas off each other. I've been doing to improve my own faceless channel is I went over, and this is something that I recommend every single one of you to do. When I first was told to do this, I felt like this was wrong, right? But it's not. Okay. Uh, go and copy your competitors. Go and compare notes to the people that are in the same niche as you. Look at what other content creators are creating. And so I've been using a lot of you all's faceless video channels, the titles that y'all are using, and copying those on my own account to see and test which titles and which topics do best for me. And so that's what we have been working on, and that's just another layer to, I feel like, Syllaby in itself, is that you're not just getting the app, and we're not just trying to get you to join to use the app, but we want to help you to be successful in your content creation journey, and we're all learning and growing together and helping each other along the way. So that's what I've been doing. I have been looking in the Facebook group. I have been getting on Discord. I have been watching a lot of you guys who have been having success. We have a share your wins channel in the Discord chat. And like I said, people are getting more comfortable, and they're sharing their videos that are really popping off. And then we're bouncing ideas off of each other. So if you guys haven't joined the Facebook group or our Discord community yet, I highly recommend it. Please come over and join. And I'm learning from all of you guys. We're learning together, and we can help each other improve along the way. So that's just a way that I find helpful to me to find ideas and to double down on different titles. Not only do I use Syllaby to help me do that, but I'm also leaning on the community that we're building here because so many of you guys are so smart and have figured out this faceless video niche. Y'all are getting it, and the videos are building people's channels really, really quickly, and I'm really excited to see it. So that's just a little tip that I got for y'all.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, Nicole. Any questions, Jao, that we can take?
All right. So far, for the creators already making some affiliate sales on Syllaby, what are some of the faceless video prompts you are using? So we can jump into this later once we are in the creation stage of Syllaby. This is one of the questions.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Let's dive into it. Okay. So coming back to the flow. So now we discover the idea. So now you guys can realize that there are literally tools out there, keyword tool, ask me question, and all these type of tools that literally are working on this idea keywords. But we have that thing available for you guys in the Syllaby from all these platforms, and you can literally get the ideas within less than a minute. So let's go ahead and see interesting facts about human body. I would probably try something. Yeah, interesting facts about famous people. Yeah, let's give it a try. So I have three options here. So now we've done the idea discovery phase. Now we are getting into the phase where we're going to craft the script, right? But before that, I need to figure out that what type of video I'm going to create. So we have different options. We have an avatar video, which is AI avatar. And then we have photo avatar video, where you can literally upload your portrait, your picture, and then we will convert that into a talking photo. So you will so your picture will be with facial expressions, reading a script out, and you could actually create a more personalized video. And then in the last we have faceless video, which is we right now talk of the town, and people are there's a competition going on right now, and there are more exciting updates that we are planning to release for the faceless video in the coming month. So stay tuned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a faceless video based on that topic. So now watch it carefully. So what's going to happen when I get to this screen? You guys must have noticed that my idea is already here, right? So I don't have to rewrite it again. Now, all I need to do is to pick up a style. Let me tell you guys, this hyperrealism is getting crazy. People actually love this style right now. I mean, it's like, one of the most used styles so far based on the data that I'm telling you guys. And, we have Ancient Egyptian, horror, fantasy, Greek mythology, digital art, or anything you guys want to pick. That's up to you. So I'm going to go with the, hyperrealism, and I can, figure out what type of subtitles I want to use. So I'm going to go with this one, and then I can pick up any voice that I want to do. One more thing I can tell you guys. Do you guys see this? So this is voice clone. Let me zoom in a little bit. So that's my voice, right? So in the Syllabi, you guys see this real clone? So you can get yourself clone. You can send us your video, and we're gonna create a clone of yourself, right? And you can also give us like your 1 or 2 voice samples, and you can actually get your voice here. So now see, you have the the idea, which is millions of people are looking for that idea, and imagine you're creating a content in your own personal voice. So think about it. I mean, it's all going to be like a whole new personal experience for your audience. So you can actually use either one of the AI voice, or you can also use one of the clone voice that you have. So let's go ahead, click it, and I'm going to generate a script. So when my script is going to come out, it's going to be basically around the the topic that I provide, and it shows me that what's the max limit and how much script I got, and it's completely editable. Like, you know, uh, uh, please like to get more and anything you want. I mean, if you wanted to add the name of your channel, you can do that, or if you wanted to add another more exciting hook, you can also do that. So you have all these flexibility within the Syllabi at this point. Now, let's go ahead and generate the video. And it's going to take like 2 or 3 minutes. So let's go to the dashboard. So we started with the idea discovery, we completed our script, and now our video is in the process, right? So we have, literally done these 3 steps. I believe, if I'm not like talking too much, and if you're using this tool like on your own, it's probably going to take like 5 minutes, just to complete this whole journey, literally in 5 steps. And your social media published video is ready for you guys. I just want to show you guys like what type of content basically comes out of it. So you guys can see. So this is the My Video section where we have all the videos, and you can see these type of content that I've been, creating. Teen Titans cartoon, interesting facts. We can defeat Dark Side, all that. So these type of content is really fire right now on YouTube. So these type of things. So you can create all type of content. Either you can provide your own custom script, or you can get the script generated through AI based on the trending or famous idea, and then you can have your video gets created within the Syllabi. Any question, Jar, that we can take while the video is being processed?
Yes. So let's go back to the question I asked earlier. This is from Chris. Again, I'll repeat it. For the creators who are already making some affiliate sales on Syllabi, what are some of the faceless video prompts you are using? I think I can share with this as well. Since honestly, in my case, I'm not really a content creator, but since we are working in Syllabi, one of the things that our CEO Austin has made us do in order to stress test our own platform or our own product is for us to create faceless videos and channels. That way we know what's wrong, what bugs there are, what we can do to fix it. And us alone would know how to help the users, especially if they have questions with regards to content creation. So basically we have Nicole, who's a content creator, and then we have us, the backend people who don't really do content creation, but now we're learning to. And Austin has been really great in sharing all his tips, not only with you guys in Facebook, but even with us. So one of the things that he has given as a tip for especially prompting is if you find a topic that you think works for you, like for example, okay, let me share my screen. Well, would that be okay, Waze? All right.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll be sharing my screen for the Criminal Minds channel. Please tell me if you can see my screen. All right, can you see my screen now? So I'm not really active every day in creating content, but as soon as I create content, I just leave it, no marketing, no whatsoever, and I can see that Syllaby does work. One of the top topics that I have here is the 5 most gruesome crimes in history. So what Austin did suggest for this is that I can use the same topic, the same title. Now in the prompting, as you can see, you have like 255 words, I think. Am I right? Always in our dashboard, when you put in the title, that's where you put your prompting for the faceless video. So I can put the same exact title and then just highlight what you do not want or what you want to be added, something like that. You can reuse it. So that's what I've been doing, and then changing like one word to it. That way I can use it again. So basically, it's like how you use ChatGPT. It's not really that complicated when you do your prompting in Syllabi or in content creation. You have to be specific on what you're looking for. Now here, since there are already 5 people that are in the list. So those 5 people, I would put in the prompt not to add anymore. So the prompt would give me a new set of criminals or serial killers in history. So that's one strategy. You can use the same title, but you can add in the prompt that do not add these names anymore or do not repeat these names anymore. That's one strategy. Now, in this channel of mine, I don't only use faceless video, which is what Aways was sharing earlier. I am also using the talking photo to be able to, depict, or rather to show how these people confessed. So these are the talking photos that I have here. Let me play one just to show how it shows. So it's less than a minute. They're confessing what they did. So basically, the idea is to showcase all the features of Syllabi, not only the faceless video, through shorts. But eventually, once we have our long form this coming October, more videos will be coming out and longer videos will be coming out. So that's my share for the prompting suggestion that I can give everybody. So yep, back to you, Waze. Anything you can add to that, or
Yeah.
Nicole?
Yeah, no, I think Joe, you covered that pretty well. Like there's like no absolute way, but like there are so many ways to, get to the right prompt, whatever you think, like how the other creators are doing and what's the trending and all that. Yeah, absolutely. Nicole, you want to add something to it?
So so we're talking about the you being an affiliate, right, guys, and you providing your affiliate link so that way you can get sales for your link. You're referring Syllabi out with your faceless channels, right? And so what I have been doing, just so y'all know, also to help people that are affiliates, we have an affiliate channel in the Discord, and what I've been trying to do is go each week and find trending audios for you guys that are popular on all the different platforms, and then provide you guys with an example video of how like I make my videos promoting Syllabi. And so yes, I'm comfortable being in front of the camera. I don't mind, using my face. And so a lot of the videos that I make, they're with me in the video, right? But if you're not comfortable and you have a faceless channel, you can link Syllabi, your affiliate link, in your YouTube channel bio. You can link it in your TikTok. Once you hit a certain amount, it's a clickable link. I think you have to have 1,000 followers, I think, to get a clickable link on TikTok. On Facebook, a great way to post your link. I do this on all of my videos, even my personal videos. When I post a video, I go to the comment section on Facebook and I post all of my links that I want people to be driven to. And, and I'll type something out that says, hey guys, check out the links below where my Discord chat is, my private Facebook group, affiliate links of companies that I'm affiliated with. And so if you're an affiliate and you're trying to figure out ways to, incorporate your link, or you're trying to figure out ways to help your videos be seen more, I'm working on creating content, and I'm working on creating like I said, in our little Discord chat, and I'm also posting these on the Facebook group as well to let you guys know trending audios that are happening, video content ideas, ways for you to link your affiliate link, even calls to action that you can place at the end of your videos to let people know, hey, click this link to check out Syllaby. And, with Syllaby, you get a reoccurring commission. So every time the person renews their subscription, you're not just getting paid by us for that one time. You're going to every single time that they renew their subscription. So just to help you guys out, I'm trying to help any of the affiliates out that I can. If you are an affiliate and you need extra help, you can private message me on Discord, or you can tag me in the Facebook group, and I'd be more than welcome to help you with anything that you need help with. So that's just a little bit of affiliate stuff for y'all to help out with.
Yes, and in
Awesome.
addition to
Thanks.
what Nicole mentioned, I just shared with everybody the affiliate marketing resources page that we have in Syllabi. So if you do not have materials that you will use, or you don't know what to use, you can always go through this link and get as many materials. Dawn and Rhea, one of our operations team member, has been really diligent in completing these materials for everybody to use. Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to add a more practical point and an actual example. Am I audible?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, let me share my screen. So I think Chris, yeah, it was Chris, right? Asking for actual affiliate like creators. So you really don't have to overthink it, guys. You don't really have to overthink about the prompt and anything. So as long as you have a really good topic, a really good theme. So that's also one tip from Austin. So he would always say, like, be more focused on your theme. So for example, this guy, Dustin, Dustin is also very active in the Facebook group. So this is an example, and just a very quick background. So Dustin is a video editor, and yeah, he uses Syllabi to create content. So because he found that Syllabi videos have been very effective, and it shows because like he has like 10,000 views or more in most of his short form videos. So what basically he did is just create contents out of Syllabi, and it's on the same topic, talking about fascinating film facts. And this is the point of Nicole earlier, that just to add it to your profile, because then I think the idea mainly is these videos just work and they reach a lot of people. And if you have been posting really good ideas, then people would say, oh, I want to create a channel just like that guy. So of course he would go into your profile, click on the link. It's as simple as that, So especially if you're just starting out, don't be intimidated with the prompting and stuff. Just create contents out of Syllabi, and once grow it, like how Dustin did it. And also there's another one. So this one is Greg. He's also posting updates in the Facebook group that he has been receiving recurring affiliate commissions right now. So still the same technique. He just posted anything about like being a nerd. So I go follow them, guys. This one I really love his content. It's like just really trivial things that you really don't know, like etymology of words and stuff like that. So it's very interesting. So just a side note. But yeah, still the same thing. They have really good topics out of Syllabi, and it's all Syllabi made videos. And then yeah, people just find it interesting that they would go to your profile, and yeah, they would click on that because they want to create the same channel that you have been showing. One more thing, it's not really affiliate related to Syllabi, but I like how Dustin also incorporated his actual services. So he's a video editor, and then he, like he strategically added it in his profile just in case people would see, oh, I need more video editing services. So, oh, I saw Dustin having the link. So it's all there. So, something like that. Just optimize the profile and then optimize your content. And yeah, just have some good ideas with the help of Syllabi. So those are real life examples, you guys. So yeah, thank you. Back to your ways.
Awesome. Thanks, Don. So yeah, guys, I mean, these are all the proven examples that we have, people who are associated with us and, creating, with the Syllabi community and creating the content. So yeah, all these are proven methodologies. One question that I would like to respond is, yes, you can create a script in 5 different languages at this point. And there are different languages that we support. If you have like custom script in a particular language that we support, so yeah, you guys should be able to create the video in that particular language. And yeah, so guys, as I'm gonna go again to the dashboard, so we discover the idea, we write the script. You don't have to go to any other platform, to create a script. So two platform, like I said, that five AI tools in one. 2 of them already we checked off. Third one, the video creation for the faceless. You don't really have to go to OSA or facelessvideo.com or any other platform. You can actually get that one within the Syllabi, right? So let's just go ahead and take a look at the video that we have created, because I'm gonna actually show you what even makes this whole Syllabi faceless video feature more powerful than ever. So this is our video, and so we will have some, different items. I'm going to get to the publish later. You can copy the link. You can edit the video. You can download the video. You can even view the details, like what style you have choose, what was the voice, and what was the video description, and what's the script. And that's, basically circling back to what Nicole has mentioned and what Zhao has mentioned, that sometimes on social media, one of the idea or one of the scripts start showing or performing really well, right? So in Syllabi, you will have this option that you can always go back. You can see what was the description, what was the script, so you can actually copy that. You can repurpose, you can reuse the video description, or essentially, Chris, in your case, that's a prompt, right? That's a video description based on your actual script actually come out. So you guys can use it again and again since it's performing well. So yeah, and then okay, let's take a look at the video. So the image is going to go. I'm not sure if you guys are able to listen to this. But this is the video I get like literally in 3 minutes, and you guys can see, the hyperrealism. Like I said, that this is one of the most used image style among our users right now, and they are creating so many videos. So it's you can actually get realistic videos out of it. Now, the cool feature that we have recently rolled out is some of the time AI could be, really a problem. Like, the one that you're seeing right now on the screen, that's an distorted image. So what we do is that you can actually go to the edit image. And if there is any image that you don't really like and you want to change it, so you don't have to redo the whole video from the scratch. Literally, you can just need to go to that image. You can either upload one of your own image if you have, if you are creating any affiliate marketing video for any other product, you can create a whole video about the vitamin D's and, just replace a couple of pictures with the vitamin D tools, or, pictures from that product. So, you can actually create a video and, then just add a reference to the product, and boom, like a marketing or a product video is ready for you. So you can upload a video, upload an image, or you can regenerate the same image through AI. So it's probably going to take like, less than a minute, and we will have an updated image here. So that basically literally eliminates the whole pain point where you're going to the editor, you're kind of, generating that image, from the scratch, or, you're just creating the whole video from the scratch. So it's fascinating, isn't it? Please like to get more videos like this. So I kind of agree. This image is ready, but a little bit, if I'm not satisfied, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna keep regenerating it until I, get the one which is more suitable with the line, because on which image I'm working on, you guys must have noticed that it highlights the script down on this section. So that way I know that, how much and why it's relatable. So that's, we have. And once it's done, all I need to do is to just export the video, and boom, I will have my new video, which I did not spend the whole time, and I did not recreate that video from scratch. It's just the same video, and I'm just re-exporting it, and that's it. So that's how, we can basically eliminate all that hassle and all that redo stuff out of this whole process. So now our faceless video is ready. So let's just go ahead. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pick this guy, which I've created before, and here. So now we talk about the idea discovery, we talk about the script creation, we talk about the different video formats. You guys have seen one faceless, and Joe showed you guys that how the photo avatar or talking photo or videos work. Now let's go ahead and publish the video to the social media, because that's the main part. Because in order to be successful on social media, and Nicole, or you can also add your thought that how important it is to be consistent and how important it is to continuously post the content onto the social media. So you can start creating your image, your brand, and your own spaces in the social media. Nicole, you want to add something to it?
Yeah,
I'm
for
just
sure.
gonna get into the
Yeah. So starting your content creation journey can be super overwhelming, especially because there's so many people online. There's a lot of competition. And so one of the things that has really helped me over the years is to just keep posting. And for me, I am managing, I also work in digital marketing. So I'm not just managing my own accounts, I'm managing other people's accounts as well. And so sometimes for me, what could happen is, because I manage other people's accounts, I'm more focused on getting all their content uploaded and put online, because they're, of course, paying me to do that. So I want to make sure that I get it done. And I will forget to get my own content put up. I will lose track of time, get overwhelmed, like I said, or just like I said, just be busy doing other things. And so with the Syllaby app, we can schedule out our content. So I can go into the app and I can make 6 videos in one day, take 30 minutes and make those 6 videos. And then I can schedule those videos out to be posted Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so that way they'll be posted for me. This is like a big deal because, like I said, I have other accounts that I'm managing. I get overwhelmed. I don't have time to do it. And so when I can schedule out things to be done on multiple platforms, it saves me a lot of time and headache, and also helps me to stay consistent. So that way I continue posting and I don't miss a day on posting, because I know it might not seem like it, but like making sure that you post every single day is so important, because of the fact that other people are constantly posting, other people are staying consistent. So there's always that competition of the next video coming out, and us kind of like wanting to ride our own wave of success. And so having the Syllabi calendar app to help schedule out the content makes it a lot easier for me. I know it makes it a lot easier for a lot of you guys, and it helps you to stay consistent on your social media journey. One of the main ways to stay successful in social media is to stay consistent. The reason why people are not as successful is because they play the short game. They want to see success and huge numbers right away. And with social media, it's a long game. You have to be in it to win it. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't have videos pop off when you first start out and do really well. And we're seeing that with a lot of you guys that are utilizing the faceless video, is that you guys are getting, do y'all understand that when I started posting videos 5 years ago in 2000, or however many, 7 years ago, 2017, that I would have died if I had a video hit 10, 20,000 views like y'all are getting on these faceless videos. I would have thought that I was YouTube famous. And to see you guys getting these kind of views like this from faceless video content, it blows my mind, honestly. So you have a leg up already in content creation in social media, because you guys are be able to generate these videos that are so high quality. Okay, you're able to stay consistent, keep them posting, because you have the scheduling, and then you have the support from the community as well. And so yeah, I know I ramble a little bit, but it just really is so important to keep posting and stay consistent, and being able to have these videos do so well for you guys. I know that's like a morale booster to be able to see like, wow, I just started making content online and I'm already seeing videos in the over 1,000 views. For me, I would get like 20 views on a live stream when I first started my YouTube channel, 50 views on a video. And that to me was so amazing. And so keep posting, stay consistent, don't give up, follow through. And if you're utilizing Syllaby, like use it because it can work to your advantage. So yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, Nicole. And yes, just to add that the reason why we would create this tool is, I just want to show you guys one example. Do you guys see this video? So I published this on three different LinkedIn channels and 2 different YouTube channels and 1 TikTok channel. And literally that just happened within a couple of minutes, right? This video, check this one out. This was on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, right? That was on Facebook and TikTok. Now, the whole process for publishing that video is so seamless on Syllaby that you don't have to get onto the 5 different platforms to post that video. So now you guys must have seen, noticed the difference that how seamless it is to, because distribution is the key, right? So you create a video, you already, think about the idea, you create a video, you put some effort. Now you have a video, now it's time to publish it, or it's time to distribute that video to the, to all those different channels. And here Syllaby has this, complete calendar. You can, filter on the post type with its schedule, publish, and then you can, filter on which channel you wanted to connect: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn. And we are working on threads, and it should be here probably by next week. So you guys should be able to publish your content, video, and on threads as well. So let's just go ahead, and I really want to show you guys that, in most of the cases, whenever I post a video on TikTok, it instantly stops performing, right? So, I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to click on publish. So for example, I want to go try with the TikTok. You see, these are all my channels here. I can select all of them, right? And it will get published on all these channels, but I only want to publish on TikTok right now. So since I used a script, so I could ask AI to write me a captivating or engaging caption, right? Or I can write it on my own. I go next, and it's like these are so selected, so I just remove them. That's the TikTok. I want to select the privacy. I want to allow comment, stitch, and material, right? If I want to change, I can still change it, right? And all I need to do is to just click on publish now. So what's going to happen? It's going to publish my video to TikTok. My video has been published. Now I can come back and I can, just go to the TikTok and see like how my video is performing. And if I wanted to schedule something, so for example, you created like 5 or 6 or 10 videos at the same time, right? And now you wanted to schedule them, right? So you can simply go to your, my video section, and this is the video that we have just created. And all I'm going to do is I want to, click on publish, and it's going to ask me on which channel I'm going to do. So I'm going to pick like, TikTok right now. I'm just going to generate the description as I did for the previous video. And then I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to just click on schedule. And I will tell system that, hey, I want this video to be published on 31st of August and 2:30 p.m. Right, there you go. And this video, it shows me an error that I forgot to select the tracks. There we go, public to everyone. And this will be automatically get onto my calendar. Got the message, successfully scheduled. If I come to the calendar now I'm set back, and now I don't have to do anything. So see, you create your 5 or 10 videos in less than 30 minutes. That's a whole week worth of content, right? And you schedule all those videos, they are on your calendar. See, it's here. If I want to change, I can do that, right? See how simple is that? How quick and how fast it is. So that's how people are running literally 4, 5, 6, or 7 faceless channels at the same time, because they're using these type of tools, which basically eliminates all this hassle, and they can perform multiple operations by staying on one platform. They don't have to switch the different platforms. They stay focused. They can either access through their laptops, or they can access these tools from their mobile devices. So that's how easy it is. So yeah, any questions so far? I'll be happy to answer.
Yes, before we can jump into questions, if there are any, I would like to share the discount code so we can encourage the new ones to try out Syllabi and see it for yourself. We actually have a 7-day trial, free trial. So on top of this code, you have 7 days to actually try it out. And if you're happy with what you see or what you get, then by all means, try out the webinar code that we have for the new participants. Now, for those asking earlier, those that are already users, we have a bit of a surprise, but then again, we'll be announcing it on Saturday. So I'll be sharing the link first to everyone here. On Saturday, the 31st is going to be our live winner announcement for our 30-day faceless video channel, video challenge. So for those who are new here and have no idea yet, Austin started this to help out people who are also not in the content creation industry and those that are there already that would want to, you know, start boosting their presence in social media. So that's what we did for the whole month of August. Now we have, like I said, we have a few announcements on Saturday. So if you guys want to know what they are, please join us, register for this coming Saturday, and please make use of the discount code. All right, so that's from my end. And I just want to share this for just a little boost of confidence or encouragement for everyone. Okay, let me share my screen. Like I said earlier, I am not a content creator, but then again, with the help of Syllabi and especially Austin, one video that was created in one of the channels that I have set up is on the road to 100,000 views already. So that's a big thing. And it's just here. I did not do any marketing or whatsoever. So Syllabi, it was just all Syllabi. Basically, you just posted it. It's just 3 words, Marvel versus DC. And it's working well. So this is one proof, guys. So if it can happen to me, it can happen to everyone, right? So this is just a little boost of confidence or encouragement for everyone who's starting. So yeah, I just have like 115 left and then we're on 100K already. So I hope this
Because
also encourages everyone. Right. And then Oasis is
yeah, I
actually going to
mean,
give me some tips later on how I can boost the
yeah,
other
yes, yeah,
videos.
yeah, of course,
So
yes,
we'll share that also in Discord once you try it out.
yeah.
I would
I
double
mean,
down
yes,
on that topic, Zhao, like double down on that and recreate that same video. And this is what all of you guys can do. If you find a video that pops like Zhao has and it's working for you, you do that same video over and over and over again, only in different capacity, right? So like, um, what would be a great example? Spider-Man versus Batman, Batman versus I don't know, I don't know all the Marvel people, but you know, like that kind of thing. Only just keep on doing that, and then watch your videos just blow up. That's crazy. Do you know how many 100,000 views on a channel that's brand new? What that can do for a channel? Like that's a big
yeah,
thing. And then the fact that we're gonna be rolling out the long form content in October, we're gonna be able to make long form content with Syllabi.
yeah,
And so just think
yes,
about that. Like that's pretty amazing. Like I said, if this
Yeah.
was around when I started out, it would have really pumped me up. I would have had such an easier experience because making content if I had had, you know, the AI tools that we have now. So it's pretty amazing.
Yeah, exactly. It's a really big help to everyone, especially who are new in content creation, who doesn't really know where to start. Yeah, just like what you said, what I'm doing right now is I'm still using the same 3 words, Marvel versus DC or Marvel and DC, but then I added a few things at the end, like the new videos that I've created right now are more on like similar characters, similar villains, top similar villains, but then those 3 words are still there. So let's see how it works out in the next couple of days. Guys, that video that I specifically showed you, it actually started when the challenge started. So just like what Nicole said earlier, sometimes you don't really expect it to just, you know, boost up right away. it actually had a slow start. It started with 10, 12. That's the maximum it had. And suddenly in the middle of the month, it shoot up. So yeah, it's a little bit of patience and consistency. Just posting at least once a day would actually be a big help. So that's from my end. Thank you. And I would like to answer Philip's question for the recording. Yes, all our webinars are being recorded and they will be sent through you through email if you need to jump off already. And they're going to be also in our YouTube channel in our webinar page in Syllaby as well. Thank you.
Yeah, and just one thing that I wanted to show you guys, the video that we published on TikTok, I just want to show you that how quickly it started performing. So I just need to refresh the page. So I think it's been like 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes or something like that. So already 223 views. That's the same video, that we just published, yeah, 8 minutes ago. Boom. So yeah. So, but just I'll tell you guys that you guys can keep trying and keep seeing, okay, like which thing is working and well for you guys, and keep publishing. And you never know, one video we're gonna get you more views, and then the rest is history.
And for everybody who's new here at Syllabi, if you still want to learn more or have, a walkthrough, one-on-one walkthrough, we offer demos. Just go to the website, click on demos or book a call. Usually it will be done. Our support manager will be interacting with you, and she'll be more than happy to show you the ropes on how to use Syllabi on a one-on-one session. So take this opportunity and try it out for yourself. See how it goes for you. Nicole, Dawn, anything you want to add to that?
No.
I
Just
did
yeah,
not
we
know.
are also a very sorry, Nicole. Yeah, so I just wanted to say that you can literally reach out to our CEO. So we have a very good support and community that we've built. Like again, you can reach out directly to our CEO. He is very responsive, especially in Facebook. So guys, you have all the support that you need in here. So just reach out to us via email, whether it's Messenger or you can just even post it publicly, and then we will be there to support you. So if you are still getting second thoughts and starting this journey with us, then just know that we are all here for you. All the team that's also from the back end, it's not here with us today. Everyone will be with you. So yeah, I hope just jump right in and see that it'll work. So also a very quick side note, so the one that I showed you earlier, Dustin's account, the video editor, he just started it when we released the Spaces video. So the channel was dormant and then he just revived it. So yeah, I think I'm cutting in, but yeah, that's just a thought.
Thank you so
Awesome.
much, Dawn.
And I just want to say that you guys know I'm the big cheerleader of the group. If you're struggling, you're not alone. We've all been there when we first starting out. And so please, if you see me in Discord or if you need me, just holler at me. If you want to jump on a private message and talk about some stuff that you're posting or just need, me to look at anything, I'm more than willing to do that. I'm online all day long. So you're never not going to see me. I pop in and out all day. And also take advantage of if you're not understanding and you need to jump on a call with Dawn, like that's a big deal to have that accessible to you, to be able to have like a training session basically, so she can walk you through the process of utilizing Syllabi. So, we have all these resources at your fingertips. Just take advantage. I don't know very many companies that you can just talk to the CEO or have all the workers in, a Discord or Facebook message whenever you need them. So we're here to support, and we appreciate each and every one of you guys that have joined us today. So yeah, give up.
Thank you so much, Nicole. And Away's final words before we say thank you and goodbye to everybody for today.
No, yeah, just guys, give it a try, and this tool really works. We have shown you guys all the channels and everything. So give it a try. I mean, I think it's worth a chance, right? So yeah, looking forward to see you guys creating awesome videos and getting viral on the social media.
So thank you. Thank you everyone for joining us. We hope to see you on Saturday though, and our webinar next week if you have time as well. So thank you and have a good day, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.